Kedro sema epie ewo Ghana memu ni Nigeria ni Africa a wo hwemu a kyese African countries na sa niema we nyina ekoso a kyese utimi hu se ase Africa for ye ne ho kye yen pa a kyese sikedro ni sakawa niema no dooso wo ye manmu na we na ya bi mu so etaka se edu anajo a na ebi mu edi omujuma ebi mu nna ananu no obi ka so se anajo omo na ye odin a ye de from ewo twi kasa ni mu a me wefi omo nna anajo echesa anajo no omo didi omujuma ebi nso ekogina junction bia edi eye ne niema ewo so wo ye ebi mu sua afuna daka ebi mu dafuna daka ebi nso kwose bushi eye chese eniema ne de bebre na ebi mu eye sikedrofo no eta eye na we ena ebi eba bepie mu na nsa na meka memetu asem no so no moma ye hwe video yi ebra
when I got an electric car. So the caretaker, I can't get the caretaker. Just tell me say, look at the say you come. So when that was on Sunday. That happened on Sunday. So towards the Sunday evening, when I come back to the house, out of Amias, I come to say you don't come. I say why you do me this kind of thing? So we say we don't get the man to say.
Is it for ritual purpose?
No, sir.
You want to bury your mother?
Sir, it's not a ritual purpose.
Why what are you doing with casket?
Yes, sir. When after
forget it. What are you doing with casket?
Sir, he was the one that started me.
Who?
The after that he take the number.
He said caretaker gave you the number.
Yes, sir.
Which caretaker?
Mr. Tunos.
In your house?
Yes, sir. So he said when either I get the person who said the casket or after I said I don't have money. He said, no, be say I want some money. He said, okay, I can come to my house. If not like today, okay, I can touch my house. That's inside my room. Then the next day, okay, I go to come back there, or okay, I go here. After I'm working, he said, now what I go do?
Now, if you want to take care of it,
he said, because of
money. He
said, my way will open up. Now, what you just talking, I said, as they do work, as they for me. But now that money was sent for them. I don't think going to see them.
How much is that?
I'll be sent give 50,000 naira.
50,000.
Plus that 10,000 naira.
Where they are found?
Na pasa.
You know how much is that?
Yes, sir. If they live for our caretaker in house. So then when I go carry there, so I come to this man and say, this is the way this man say me that do now. If I go carry and go, people will say, this boy they do this one. Say I don't know how to take this. I go from this town.
Where are you from?
I'm from Abia State, sir. But I'm staying here. I'm doing business here.
But tell me the casket, waiting you go say you.
Casket, I need to carry the person. So I think on this starting, I think
Why you come from?
I don't even carry from my house. Now I just go carry from
How much you buy this casket?
I gave him 15,000 naira. So I thought I said,
You return about
yes, I thought I would return back to them. But he said, wait till because now 25,000 naira. I thought he said, make him one. Say, before weekend. Say, I feel balance and back.
Who be the next man who follow you?
Now my friend.
I call for now go the place together.
Yes, let me follow go there. That's the casket place. So when I can't reach close to our compound side, I went to reach our compound. So I did there, but I say I passed the
You go sleep for inside this casket.
No sir, it's not sleep.
Who go sleep for inside?
He said, make I can touch for my inside my room. Like it's not today. So make a touch. But the next day, so we can go to and then make a discount 21. Then I continue to talk. I'm okay, sir. So then,
where do you get the car?
Sir, now him wait now the same I want to do now. So when we reach there,
where you there now?
sir, now when this alarm comes now, I'm not sitting again. So when the affair comes there, no, sir, not. So when I come to reach close to the house, I can't stop the bike. And I can't say, if people see this now, they go say something else. They can't see me there, say, Bishop. Okay, you can say who did it. I come for that bike. And you tell me, say, Bishop, I tell you, say, and I'm here. Because I said me and he got it. That time when he first we go, just go meet the man after I send the money. He said he go take it.
Where the landlord?
He can't take that. I got no soup. So he tell me say he go give it to me. After I said bro, you know what 50 million? They say I'm gonna insult you. Now my money where at the fight for. Why you go back, go carry the same? Where we say instantly and you go follow come. So when I can't talk finish. So as he comes to me this evening, he said, he told me say, Bishop, open this casket.
So one begin to talk about brutality.
Sir?
Like seven like clap
So he told me say, Bishop, make I open.
when
When
the clap
it's for Masaba. But he's saying here.
live for where?
So he said, Bishop, say make I open this. Say person there inside this. Say person there inside this casket. After I said nobody there inside. He said make I open now.
Eno nti na che se ebusuan wa hu dia ekoso wo video yi mu na mrantie kentinka mienu atamfunu adaka asoa na jude suo enye se eye daytime ana se bi a 5 o'clock 4 o'clock yi mu bi na wagina ho akeka sa stories ana na dwuma na asemi a wo keka kire nkrofo na asemi esi wo Delta State eye Nigeria na sa asemi esi ye na anaju de suo mu na chese nkrofo timamufo ebi mu ehia nkrofo so musufu na adaka ko jan bobo mo nsa ana eni omuti a wo mo de keka nkonya asem bi wo ma no na ho ana wo mo de ebufuo ni eyi stop yo ebi so mo se omo okwahe na omo nsem nchiechire mu no afi de ba ko na odi echi ni so ono de onka ho onye ehwe ni odi enim no so yo nkoja ni odi enim ni so se oton funada ka ne mo obi na ye oton ma ni 2000 naira o se de na ya anaju na ode ko funada ka ye o so ye de fakrom anaju daytime ahwa na obi akwa bohu ana se bibi nti ya anaju no ne feel say ye the right time as so di funada ka no ekoma nipa no ene nti se entra anaju ma na asem a wo didie ensam no ka na kasa ensisi so na we na ebi mu ka se eye sikeduro because enye sikeduro a funada ka keka wo de komo obi die anka ka mu na odi besi ana se obepe okada bimpo se ka na huni ni musika keke ya ye friend wo Ghana friend Ghana ha se Prague anka obetimi kura de esi mu de akwa koma nipa na esi den na mutimi yi mo homo so mata de na mu nipa mienu mo soa eboko jan ekeka ho de eyihye mano na chese munim ni amokwa akoye a munim ni amode ye sa na jude suo mu ho no mo ne no na Nigeria fo no ebuafu ye papa ohwese ne course o video ni mu a na chese ano ohye ne no na me bisa se edem pa dien pa na nti bibifo ana bibiman ye hwehwe wo wiase edem pa na nti wo ton wo de sua wo ti se wo koton se edwuma mpo ni ho a wo be ye edwuma wo sua se wo koton a yento at least yanto ni nyina krede obetimi aton bi a obetimi de aye aduane eni wegusua no ma na se wo nkwampo na ote a ebeso ma wedi na se obekwa akota bibi we asua wuti so ne asu wuti so ade na manaji wo de ton bofrota na your friend gala ana se you meet by bi pa daytime a wo benye sika a chese sika hote enti mesre bibi man moma ye nimbre edwuma na yenya akwadro no mijidi mimia mehwem a mehu ni se akwadro na di we nyina eba se ne be ya obenya sikantem de abo ehuhu bra ne ne ekeka ho nyame emre no aso nti no yesra se mo be ye mo niema mre ya ewo mo mranti bre mu mre ya mo wa hoden mo nya mo niema yie na dachi bi mo ammo nsa no aka se mehu ya nso sa time no wase bibi ewie aha na meja mo esi midia ene akosua pokua ansa aka Queen Fidi apa ba kope boswa na subscribe to your YouTube channel na afesu follow ye on Instagram Facebook and Twitter wa uni se ho ne hia me pa ai follow ye na ja comment or comment section ho my fefe na afe share na o share na me be sure say we ye aha na meja mo esi that's it Message.